Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Jamboard. This is a quick and easy Google Jamboard tour for you. Before we get started, I want to share you a quick and easy introduction. Today, I'm using a Chromebook to film this video. It may look a little different on your screen. Google Jamboard was released around the year 2016. It is an interactive whiteboard where it is very helpful if doing lessons during remote learning or just for a normal lecture. To get to Google Jamboard, open a new tab and go to jamboard.google.com. Once you get there, you will be able to open up a new jam by clicking on the plus sign at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you will be able to get to this site that says Untitled Jam Google Jamboard. Title your jam before you start anything. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see this toolbar where you can click and draw or use any of these materials on your whiteboard. This is a pen feature where you can draw. This is an eraser if you mess up. This is the select sign. This is a sticky note. You may type whatever you like here and also change the colors. Once you hit save, you can resize and rotate. You can insert an image, from your computer, from Google, from your Google Drive, or from your Google Photos. You can insert shapes and also text. You can change the display and also the color. You can also change its align. You can rotate and resize. This is a laser. This is if you want to highlight important information but remove it later on. Over here, it's the undo and redo buttons if you make a mistake. This is the zoom in and zoom out. Backgrounds. You can choose dotted lines, notebook paper lines, squares, graph, blue, or chalkboard. If you click clear frame, you will erase everything that you have drawn or inserted onto your slide. If you go here, this is the frame bar. If you go here, you can create a frame if you want to explain more. If you click this, you will be able to expand it and quickly transition from each frame. Over here, you can do a bunch of different things, like you can rename your doc, download it, save it as an image, remove, make a copy, update, and send feedback. Here you can share, and that's it. Thank you everyone for watching today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye!